Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that how long the altcoins can bleed, because they are bleeding, no question. Bitcoin dominance is going up, and a lot of people who have a lot of altcoins, their portfolio is melting right now. So this is what I would like to talk about in today's video. So I don't bring different kind of topics. This would be the main one. And don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on blockchainbloom to keep you up to date. So that's important, very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Well, if you have altcoins, I feel you, because now they are melting just like crazy. Well, let me share the screen. We see Bitcoin at 64,941 US dollar, which is less than 1% down in the last 24 hours. Ethereum 3,420, 2.6% down. When we look at top gainers, well, Bitcoin token up 3%, Ondo up 2%, but that's it. So no gainers. Instead, we have altcoins which are going down like crazy. Look, Phantom 17% in the last 24 hours, Core 17%, WorldCoin 15%. But you name them. Look at these numbers. So definitely altcoins keep bleeding, not just today. They already did it yesterday as well. So, well, the question is there. What the heck is going to happen now? What we should do? I would like to talk about these kind of things. And when we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, first of all, which is important, I think when we're looking at the bull market, that in the bull market we should be above the 200-day moving average. And well, we can see that we are well above it. So this is one thing. However, you know, we are in this line between 71,000 and 60,000, up and down, up and down, up and down. So it can easily happen. Today we did break the 65,000 level. Well, we haven't closed under it, but this is right now we're seeing in the present situation. And actually, if we continue down, we could go down all the way to 60,000. And if we go all the way down to 60,000, guess what? Altcoin is going to melt even more. But now let's talk about them. So first of all, I think that 60,000 here, it's strong support. It's nothing for sure, but if we would go further down, this would be a very, very important area to watch, to be honest with you. But when we're looking at the whole market, look, it is extremely red. You know, you name it, it's 10%, 15%, 70% down, and they going down. Yesterday, they went down the altcoins, really just like crazy. So it's always like this, right? Bitcoin starts and then altcoins are kind of falling. When we're looking at the altcoin season index, here we can clearly see that it is a Bitcoin season. So we are at 20 and under 25, it's Bitcoin season. Above 75 is altcoin season. Clearly, we are in the Bitcoin season. But very important to highlight that this always shows the present situation. What does it mean? It means that it's not predicting what's going to happen. It is what's happening right now. And always, if you prepare yourself why we are in the Bitcoin season for the next altcoin season, then probably you can have very nice gains. Well, in the case of the bear market, it's a pretty bad idea, because during the bear market, you know, altcoins are down, they're not recovering. But when we are in the bull market, and so far, I believe, you make your own homework, but this is what I believe, that the bull market is not over, then probably another leg up is coming for altcoins. Therefore, it's very important to pick, I think, the quality altcoins, if you are agree with me, because those will be the ones which are the trendy coins, which will go up first, so holding the best. And so this is important to watch right now. Bitcoin season, Bitcoin dominance is strong. It's no question. Where is Bitcoin dominance? It's here. Look, I'll just put it in the picture like this. So Bitcoin dominance is going like up, 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 and well, this was the highest here on the 13th of April, but we're getting very, very, very close to it, as you can see it right now. So we should watch this 57% level, I do believe. Right. And what's happening right now? So when you're looking at stablecoins, usually when there is the big altcoin season, the bull market is coming, a lot of stablecoins are inflow into the market. And when you look at here, 2020, this was the beginning of 2020. Here we had about the halving. And well, you can see how stablecoin entered into the market. And when we reach the end of the year, when Bitcoin reached its previous all-time high after the craziness really started. And so far, look, they came down here, the market cap of the supply of altcoins. And then you can see, sorry, not altcoins, stablecoins, part of an altcoin, but we're talking about stablecoin now, right? And now we just started to go up, but it's not as crazy as in the altcoin season. So we didn't have an altcoin season yet. It's very important to understand, right? We had a huge hype because of the Bitcoin spot ETFs, which pushed Bitcoin price up, and with that, altcoins started to go up quite early. But it is not the true altcoin season. We just, if we compare it to the last bull market, we had in 2020 in May, the halving, and really Bitcoin started to get very well towards the end of the year, but we really could see altcoin shine in the year after that. Will that be now in 2025? This is a good question. Do we have a different kind of market now? Will it already happening, this year? And we still can see altcoins going up. We don't have this major altcoin season yet. This is very, very important to understand. But if you DC in alts, this is my opinion, not financial advice, in the good ones, you can have a great, average. And if you have a great average, when the altcoin is starting to pump, then you will have some nice gains. But it's very important to keep in mind that if you don't hold Bitcoin in your portfolio looks terrible right now. And therefore, I think the Bitcoin altcoin ratio is very, very important. For instance, if it's half of your portfolio at least Bitcoin, you're not worried that much because you see, okay, I have some stable coins, ready to enter, like 20%. I have 30% alt. I have like 50% Bitcoin. Then those 30% are weak. The stable coin holding pretty well for new entries, and Bitcoin, it's pretty much just 10-11% down compared to recent all-time high. So then your portfolio doesn't look that bad. This is the reason why it's very important to keep the nice ratio, because that 30% altcoin will pump your bag when the real altcoin market is here, because it's outperforming Bitcoin at that time, but now it's underperforming. And also, look, this is just in May, 15th of May, so even more probably it's true, but more than here, over 1 million new altcoin, but now it's saying altcoins. Okay, so new crypto tokens have been launched since April. So here we're talking about like, in a 1 month period. So we don't have any more liquidations ready because people entered into different kind of meme coins. It's crazy meme coin season, and the whole thing is just dried out. Retail, it's not here for full, and actually it was difficult to pump the market higher. It's just we need just some correction here, reset the whole thing before we start again. And we had tons of liquidations. It wasn't the craziest this year, but it is in the top 5. When you're looking at these are in 12-hour periods. So in the last 36 hours, more than $500 million worth of crypto have been liquidated. 90% obviously long positions. Those who said we have to go higher and higher now. And more can come. If Bitcoin goes down to 60,000, hopefully holding the support, but if it's going down, more altcoins will actually bleed. Bitcoin liquidation is going to happen. So it is not over in that case, but it could be any time that, maybe you go here and you see, well, the 65 does hold, as now it's very, very close to it. And in that case, you do come back and just continue, then it could be some relief. But it can easily happen that for a couple of weeks, months during this summer, we just do these sideways movements. And really, what do we need? altcoins to shine, we probably need Bitcoin new all-time highs. Because what else we have left? We have the Ethereum spot ETF, you know, in the package this summer. Then if it will be traded, then trading will be live. Then this can help the altcoin market, and also Bitcoin new all-time high. Just like before, it can bring attention to crypto and Bitcoin. And when it's here, the retail could come, and then probably they're not all in Bitcoin, but rather in altcoins, and that can bring the altcoin market. But until then, I think we still have to wait. This is my personal opinion, but we're going to see it. If you agree, disagree, you can let me know in the comment section. And well, on the other hand, when you're looking at inflows to accumulation addresses, and you can see, look here, this is like it's just not big enough on your screen, but like this is here where the cursor is, 2021, January. So basically, let me zoom in. You can see here this huge spike. We're talking about here 20,000 Bitcoin. So major accumulation happening even now when we witnessing this dip. That's why Bitcoin is also holding itself pretty well. And I showed this in yesterday's video. So even the previous after halving period in 2020, we had this accumulation, reaccumulation period in this red zone, and this could, you know, go up to 5 months, and we actually in a bit more than 2 months in it. So, well, we have to be patient, and some pain can come through this period, but I do believe that the rest of the bull market is front of us, and the bigger altcoin season is definitely in front of us. If a huge black swan event is happening, this is something else, but if that's not happening, but this is, I think, very likely, but you can let me know what you think right down in the comment sections. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, subscribe to this YouTube channel and survive these times. I know it's very, very difficult. Everybody is saying that it's easy to be in crypto. It's easy to make money. No, it's not, because yes, there are periods where your portfolio is gaining like crazy, but there are so many times when portfolio is bearish, so many times when the market is bearish, put it this way. And when it's very, very difficult to survive, looking your portfolio melting and live through difficult times, just like a whole bear market, and even now, a correction period could be actually painful. So yeah, keep it up to survive. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye, and hit the like button if you like this video.